This baked honey garlic chicken thighs is super easy to make and a perfect quick meal whenever you are tired, lazy, or in a hurry. The chicken is tender and juicy with an indulgently sweet, savory, and spicy flavor. For this recipe, you will need 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs that are cut in big pieces. This is for 2 servings. Just double the recipe if you want to serve it for 4. Then adding 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 grated garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1.5 teaspoon of Chinese chili bean paste. It's called 豆瓣酱 in Chinese. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1.5 tablespoon of dry thyme. Then adding 1 small diced onion, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 pinches of salt, and 2 pinches of black pepper. Give it a good mix. Then cover and marinate in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Next, generously oil a baking dish on the bottom and on the sides to prevent the chicken from sticking. Add the chicken pieces into the baking dish and spread them evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 425 Fahrenheit, 220 centigrade for 25 to 28 minutes. Then use the boiler function to boil the chicken for another 5 minutes or until it turns nicely dark golden brown. Look at that beautiful golden brown color, and I can see how crispy the skin is. Then garnish with some chopped green onions on top. This easy-baked honey garlic chicken thighs is quick and simple to make, and it tastes super comforting and delicious. It is simple for a family night and special for a party. And look how juicy it is inside. Guys, you've got to try this. If you like my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!